I'm sure you've heard the buzz about Forex trading. Ready to unlock its secrets? Let's get started. First up, timing is everything. Trade during specific sessions for each currency pair. Mr. Mamba FS, a seasoned trader, swears by trading GJ during its session. Next, consider scalping over swing trading. With market manipulation being a real challenge, quick trades might be your best bet. And don't forget, psychology plays a huge role. Many traders fail because they quit too early. Stay persistent and learn from your mistakes. Even the pros struggled at first. Data analysis is your friend. Identify breakouts and use historical data to predict price movements. This strategy can help you capitalize on profitable opportunities. Lastly, join a community. Having a support system of like-minded traders can provide valuable insights and keep you motivated. So, are you ready to take your Forex trading to the next level? Apply these tips and watch your trading skills soar.